Are you looking for the best eco-friendly cookware? In this video we will look at some of the best eco-friendly cookware on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, T-fal Initiatives Aluminium, Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware. If you're in need of a cookware refresh but want to keep costs low, turn to the Initiatives line by T-fal, a long-trusted European cookware brand. This 14-piece set is made from heavy-gauge aluminium with a T-fal 3, and cadmium-free ceramic-coated interior that withstands high temperatures and delivers fast and uniform heat distribution. Heat-resistant handles are riveted to the sides of the pans, and the included glass lids let you keep an eye on your food while cooking. At number 2, All-Clad D3 Stainless 10-piece Cookware Set. This classic triple-ply set by All-Clad is a professional-grade cookware collection made with an aluminium core and a brushed stainless steel exterior. Because of its excellent heat conductivity along the bottom and side walls, it requires less energy than other types of cookware. Each piece is oven safe for up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, without lids, and is also safe to put in the dishwasher. Included in this set are a 2-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart soup pot with lid, 3-quart sauté pan with lid, 8-quart stock pot with lid, and 2 skillets. 8-inch and 10-inch. All-Clad offers a limited lifetime warranty on this collection because these are meant to last, aligning with the idea of buying less but buying better quality that supports eco-friendly shopping habits. A useful assortment. The All-Clad Stainless 400 and 1488 R 10-piece cookware set includes 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, a 3-quart covered sauté pan, 2-quart and 3 covered sauce pans, and an 8-quart covered stock pot. All-Clad's stainless 3-ply cookware features a thick-gauge aluminium core that attracts heat fast, while the addition of stainless steel ensures even heat distribution for consistent results across the entire cooking surface. At number 3, Scanpan Classic 2-piece fry pan set. Scanpan's cookware features a green tech non-stick surface and ceramic titanium coating that's free of F.3. Its professional line includes Dutch ovens, fry pans, saucepans, sauté pans, grill pans, sauce pots, woks, and steel lids. Scanpan recommends avoiding the use of extremely high heat when cooking with this cookware. The pans are oven-proof and dishwasher safe and can be used on electric, gas, induction, and halogen stoves. In addition to its professional line, Scanpan makes 2 other cookware lines that feature the green tech coating. At number 4, Le Creuset 5-piece signature set. Le Creuset is best known for its iconic round ovens, but the brand also makes a variety of silhouettes in its signature colorful enameled cast iron. This set includes 3 essential pans, a 4.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, a 1.75-quart saucepan with lid, and a 10-inch skillet. Each of these pieces is made from thick cast iron coated with a glass-like enamel that is food safe and requires no additional seasoning to maintain its slip. In fact, the enamel will develop its own pattern over time, allowing the surface to become even more non-stick. These pans are also oven-proof to 480 degrees Fahrenheit with the lids, higher without the lids, allowing you to start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven or under the broiler. To clean, you can easily scrub these with a non-abrasive nylon scrubbing pad or opt to wash them in the dishwasher. The pans are quite substantial, which might be an issue if lifting heavy pans is a problem, but their heavy-duty construction makes them durable enough to last for generations. Their longevity means they're less likely to end up in a landfill, which makes them a smart green choice. Build an impressive collection of enameled cast iron quickly and easily with the new 5-piece signature set. It makes an exceptional gift, especially for newlyweds or anyone outfitting a new home. Whether starting from scratch or adding to an existing collection, this set adds versatility to any kitchen.